We have looked at the situation carefully. The infection is under control throughout this period, and therefore we now are able to enter into phase 2 from Friday onwards. Basically after 18th of June 2359. So from this Friday onwards, we will be in phase 2. Unlike phase 1, where we still had quite a number of restrictions in place, in phase 1, the default setting was many things remain closed and we only selectively allowed certain things to resume activities in order to manage the risk. Phase 2 is different. Phase 2, the default will be most activities will resume and open, and only a small exception will be left to be done later. So what will open in phase 2? Essentially, retail businesses may reopen their physical outlets. F&B, dine-in will be allowed to resume, subject to liquor sales and consumption ceasing at 22:30 hours. We will not allow live music and television and video screenings in F&B outlets at this stage. So the F&B dining is permitted in groups of 5. Besides these, retail shopping malls will be open as well, subject to capacity limits. Personal health and wellness, home-based services will be allowed to resume. Registered clubs and societies can operate at their registered premises. Tuition, private enrichment classes can resume, with the exception of singing or voice training classes at this time. Again, because it is a higher risk activity, so we are not allowing classes that involve singing or voice training. All other healthcare services, including elder care services in the community, individual health screening, aesthetic services will resume. Face-to-face visitations at residential facilities for the elderly will also resume with precautionary measures in place. Sports, parks, public facilities will be open. This includes playgrounds, beaches, lawns and fields, swimming complexes, sports halls, gyms, fitness studios, function rooms, and this would apply not only to public facilities, but similar facilities in private settings such as condominiums and country clubs. Essentially, the list will cover quite a wide range, and so the vast majority of businesses we expect will be able to reopen, but with the key condition that safe distancing measures must be in place, and we try to simplify this as much as possible. We say that individuals must maintain the safe distance of 1 meter, and each time there is a group of people coming out at the same time, it must not be more than 5 persons. So it's a 1 meter, 5 persons rule.